Number 24, lot S105, is a 1979 Ford F-150 Ranger XLT pickup with a 400 cubic inch V8 engine, an automatic transmission, and air conditioning. And this one sold for $36,300 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 79,659 miles, and the highlights are recent restoration, original 400 cubic inch V8 engine, C6 automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, air conditioning, power steering, Ford 9-inch rear end with 350 gears, Dana 44 front axle with 350 gears, new brakes and exhaust, new dash bezel and headliner, short bed with bed cover, original deluxe door panels, aluminum wheels, and 33-inch BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. And this one was a good-looking one with the black and silver two-tone. The black with the silver belt, as we call them in the business. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.